Hello kiddos, today we're going to learn how to represent information from data and put it on a line plot, but they're not giving us the line plot, so we have to create it. And that's basically what we're going to learn today. So the first thing I'm going to start doing is I'm going to kind of draw my line plot right here. Okay. Okie dokie. And I'm going to just do the arrows on the side. Okay, so that's the way we start. The first thing you have to do is to draw a line, of course. Okay, the second thing that I would do is from my chart, from the information that they are giving me, I need to identify the smallest number. So you're going to help me look for the smallest number. So we have here 48, 48, 48, 48, 3/4, but also here 48, 1/4. So let me see if I can find another one that is smaller. Oh, look what I found. I have a 48. Probably that one is the smallest one. So, okay. I know that my smallest number is 48. I'm just going to write it down here. Now I'm going to look for the highest number that I have on my chart. So let's see. Okay, I have a 50. I don't know if I have something higher than 50. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Nope, and 50 is my winner. So I have a 48 and a 50. So that means the first number in my number line is going to be a 48. And the last number on my number line is going to be a 50. So I'm going to fill up the spaces here because from 48 to 50 there are some numbers that I need to place, right? And I'm going to do it right now. So 48, it will be 49, 50. No, I think I made it too short. Let me just 48, 49, and 50. I think I wrote right in the middle. So because we have the 48 as the smallest one and 50 as the biggest one. Okay. The second thing I'm going to notice, since we're working with these measures and these measures have fractions, we have to see what type of fractions they have. So they have two different fractions. They have fourths and they have halves. So this is what we're going to do. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut each one of our holes. These are our holes, 48 and 49, 49 and 50. I'm missing my 49 right here. Okay, I'm going to cut it in halves. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Cut it in halves. I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to put, and here I'm going to put it. So I'm going to name or place those fractions here. 48 and here, right here will be 48 and a half, correct? 49 and right here will be 49 and 1/2. Okay, now with another color to help me visualize better my line plot, I'm going to place the fourths. So what do I need to do in order to make these fourths? We already learned this on fractions. We have to cut, instead of 2 pieces, we have to have each one cut into fourths. And then I'm going to name my fourths. 48, right here will be 48 and 1/4. Here it will be the same as I said, 48 and 2/4. I'm going to leave it there, but remember, this means that these two fractions are what? Are equivalent fractions because they land in the same spot. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that, just in case we need that fraction. So we continue 48 and 3/4. and then 49, and here 49 and 1/4, 49 and 2/4 is the same case. This will be the same fraction. It's equivalent fraction, okay? And then the other one will be 49 and 2/4, 49 and 3/4, and 50, okay? So all my numbers and all my fractions have been plotted, and so far. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we're going to name our line plot. The name we're going to use is the same as the chart. So I'm just going to name my line plot distance traveled. Okay, what are they using to measure? They're using inches, right? So I'm just going to put at the bottom of my chart, on my line plot, I'm going to write inches. And I'm going to define my x are going to be worth 1 marshmallow. Because as we read the beginning, look what it says. Mrs. Leah's class uses what they learn about simple machines to build a marshmallow launchers, a machine to throw marshmallows, okay? They record the distances their marshmallows travel in the chart below. So 1x is going to represent 1 marshmallow. Okay. So, okay, the next step we're going to do is we're going to place all these measures on my line plot. Remember, we have to be organized and check every time we put one on the line plot. So I'm just going to make it a little bigger so I can see. Okay, let's get started. 48 and 3/4, 48 and 3/4 here. 49 and 1/2, 49 and 1/2 here. 49 and 1/4, 49 and 1/4 here. 49, 49, 48 and 1/4, 49 and 3/4, 48 and 3/4, 49 and 1/4, 49 and 1/2, 48, 49, 50, 48 and 3/4, 49 and 1/4, 49, 49 and 3/4, 49, 48 and 1/4, 48 and 3/4. Okay, I think I finished placing my marshmallows, or my X that represents the marshmallows, on the line plot. And now I'm just going to write the total number for each one of them. I'm pretty sure I will need it afterwards. So 2x, 2 marshmallows, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1. That's the total number that I have. Okay? This is going to be the activity for today. Tomorrow we will continue with the second part. I don't want to do it all at once because it can get a little complicated. So all I want you to do today is to create the line plot just the way I did here with you, showing you how to do it. And using, of course, this information, you are going to do your own line plot. You're going to save the paper for tomorrow. I mean, you're going to send it to me, the picture, so I can check on it to see if you did it good. But then you have to keep that paper so we can do the rest tomorrow, okay? So hopefully you will do it all by yourself. If you have any trouble, watch these videos many times as needed. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention and have a great